Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone, and my name is Muhammad Ahmad Rifki bin Muhammad Zamri, and my matrix number is 08DPR22F1068, and I'm as Miss Zara.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Haikal bin Muhammad Ramzani, and my number matrix is 08DPR22F1044, and I'm as Mr. Lobo.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Irfan bin Fauzi, and my number matrix is 08 DPR 22F1049, and I'm S. Roy.
Hi, my name is Farid Amirul bin Zulkifli, and my matrix number is 08DPR22F1054, and I'm playing as Misu.
Hi, welcome to everyone, and I'm as Miss Zara, and we have Mr. Roy here. Mr. Roy,
Hi, I'm Mr. Roy.
we have Mr. Lobo,
Hello, I'm Mr. Lobo.
and we have Miss Sue.
Hi, Misu. Hi.
Okay, I understand that we are here today to resolve a dispute between Mr. Lobo, Roy, and Miss Sue regarding the purchase of a truck. Please state your claims clearly and concisely. So, regarding Mr. Lobo's claim about the defect in the truck, Section 16-1A of the Sales of Goods Act 1957, where the buyer expressly or by implication makes known to the seller the particular purpose for which the goods are required so as to show that the buyer relies on the seller's skill or judgment and the goods are of description which it is in the same course of the seller's business to supply. Same as this case where Mr. Roy asked Miss Sue the truck for a special needs of disabled man and he relied on the Miss Sue's skills and judgment to choose the truck that cost him RM 450k. But since Mr. Lobo find the defect in the truck and asked for his claim, Miss Sue needs to be responsible for the defect that happened since that was Miss Sue is the one who chose for the truck for Mr. Lobo. Miss Sue need to repair or replace the truck or Mr. Lobo can ask for refund the money back to him. So Mr. Lobo,
Maybe I should ask to Misu. So, Misu, should I refund or replace, or could I request a refund for the truck?
For me, Mizara, I think it's not valid because Mr. Lobo had already accepted the truck without raising any objection about the truck. Is there any defect on it?
that
Oh,
is
I
the
see.
valid point. However, since the defect was not apparent upon the reasonable examination, Mr. Lobo could still claim under Section 16-1A. Let's we move to issue about Mr. Roy and Mr. Lobo. Regarding Mr. Lobo's claim about being misled by Roy, Section 169 of the Contract Act, an agent without the knowledge of his principal deals in the business of the agency on his own account instead of on account of his principal. The principal is entitled to claim from the agent any benefits. In this case, Roy asked Ms. Sue to pay RM 30k on his account without informing Mr. Lobo. This way, Mr. Lobo has right to claim the RM 30k that Roy received. Also can refer Section 173 in Contract Act. An agent who is guilty of misconduct in the business of the agency is not entitled to any remuneration in respect of that part of the business which he has misconducted. So, Mr. Roy, is it true that you take the RM 30k without inform Mr. Lobo?
I did not intentionally mislead Mr. Lobos. The RM 30,000 ringgit was generally intended for a charity program.
So, Mr. Roy, is it true what? So, Mr. Lobo, is it true what Mr. Roy said?
But Roy, I tell you to make a negative with kenderaanhebat.co, and I promise to you, if you can get less than 500k, I will give you a commission RM 1k, right? Then you said you can get price RM 450k, but you secretly managed to persuade to reduce for RM 420 and take 30k secretly to your account for your benefit, right?
Okay, I admit it was my fault. I deal with Miss Su from Kenderaan Hebatku and tell her about things that not true for my benefit. I'll also do this without Mr. Lobo permission. I apologize to all parties involved.
So, Mr. Lobo, I understand your situation and I understand the situation of Mr. Roy. Even if Mr. Roy, your intention were not malicious, the fact remains that you did not disclose the true nature of the additional payment to Mr. Lobo. Alright, so everyone, I have made an conclusion. Based on the above argument and the relevant laws, I find that the first one is Miss Su from Kenderaan Hebatco is liable for the defect in the truck and must repair or replace it at their expense. Mr. Lobo unable to claim for his right. And the second one is Mr. Roy action could be considered misrepresentation and Mr. Lobo may have grounds to claim damages. However, the amount of damages would need to be determined in a separate proceeding. I hope all parties agree and can solve this problem or an issue and give all the rights of claims request from the parties involved.
Thank you, Miss Zara.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to all. Because of me, all these things happen.
I'm also sorry to Mr. Lobo because our misconduct, and I hope I will give you the truck once it's ready to use.
Alright, I'm so sorry too because all of this thing, and next time I hope this won't happen again. Great.
Okay, thank you for everyone.